So this is our second day here in Beth Nahrain, and we are in Baghdida, which also is called Qarqosh. And this is the great Altahira church. Beautiful church in the background, and we shall see the inside in a second. And as you can see, it's in the heart of Hamdaniya or Qarqosh. This is the main entrance. We just walked in here. And as you can see, the writing in Surah, and it's a nice place. And the Pope was here, and he actually did a mass. Thousands and thousands of people were here. It is nice, although it's a cloudy day, but it's pretty breezy here. So what's known about this church that is this has been rebuilt, and as you see here, they've redesigned the walls, and they did a pretty good job at it. And we are walking here right next to the church. And as you can see, these are the signs of the Pope that was here. Pretty nice. And this is also my friend Sami. We call him Captain Sami. Local residents in Qarqosh are complaining about practically the manhole has not been covered. And they did a good job on the street over here, but on the opposite of it, you have a bunch of swamps, just creating a whole disaster riding here, especially when you have a populated area. So as you can see in the background, it's an actual a mini lake. And we are here walking in the streets of Baghdad. It's about 10:30, but it's alive, it's active. As you see, there's a bunch of shops over here, and the people are happy, and you feel like you're at home. This happens to be a 7th century church. This is what's remaining of it, and as you can see, it's pretty old and pretty small. It was a little bit bigger, but in order for them to build this church right next to it, that one there, they had cut down some of it. Sad, but I guess because they did not have any space to build the new church. But as you see, the church was expanding there, and it's called St. Qarqosh or St. George. It's from the 7th century. It's pretty small, and I'm going to show you the insides of it. We are sitting here and in a restaurant here in Baghdad, and as we were ordering, the lights went out, surprisingly. And this is Wilson, and he's waiting for his food, but somehow, some way, the lights went out, and waiting for the lights to come back on. We kind of got used to it by now. This is Bara over here. Yeah, we're waiting for the lights to come back, and we'll see what happens when the light comes back. We're gonna start cooking here and start eating. So we're sitting here eating at Abu Yusuf restaurant here in Baghdad. Check out the meats, guys. Isn't that delicious? Sure. Leah. This is Leah right here. This is pure cholesterol.
That's really pure.
With us here is Stella. Say hi. She's our tour guide. How's your kebab?
Good.
Oh, it's good. Okay. The food, and this is mine. In Baghdad, we just finished eating, and the kebab actually was great. And as you see behind me here, it's a nice, alive, it's a beautiful area. Everybody speaks Surah here, no problem with it. And ISIS was here, and they were building tunnels under these streets. But now they paved them all, and they made them all new. And as you see, the city is alive, and people came back, almost 50% of them. And they're really doing a good job. I mean, this is a very lively area.